So this is our last panel, XM12. XM12, this is panel. Pressing this button will show the node. This will show the node panel, node number, member number. Panel, last panel, XM12, and other panels are XM3A. This is XM3A. Difference between XM12 and XM3A is, at XM12 you will see that there are three parts, part 1, 2, 3, and XM3A part 1, 2, below the horizontal. We can make this panel by our handwriting in this way. We can make this XM12 as XM3A, and XM3A has XM3A is here. XM3A, this is XM3B, XM3A, leg, bracing, R1, 2, 3, 4, 5, R1, 2, 3, 4, 5, XM3A, R1, 2, 3, 4, 5, XH3A, XH3A is, this is XH3A, leg, bracing, horizontal, R1, 2, 3, 4. So we can change any panel with the name leg, bracing, horizontal, R1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals 0, 6 equals 0. Save it and rebuild the model. Rebuild the model. You see that XM12 has been changed to XH3A. So we can change the panel by our hand. It's in our hand. So now we'll give you some example on how to change these panels. We'll change the bottom panel several times and you'll understand that changing the panel is easy work. We'll make the bottom panel as X0. X0 means leg, bracing, and nothing else. No horizontal, no redundant, leg and bracing. X0. So X0, horizontal and bracing, and everything is 0. Save it, rebuild it. X0. So you can change the panel anytime. It's just a few writings from this cell file. So we have made the XM12 to X0. Now we'll make it XH1. XH1 requires leg, horizontal, bracing, no redundant. XH1. So tower build edit XH1, leg, horizontal, no redundant. This is XH1. XM12 has been changed to XH1. This is XH1. Now XH2A, leg, bracing, R1, R2 and H1, leg, bracing, horizontal, redundant 1, redundant 2, nothing else. R1, 2, remember this. This name is XH2A. XH2A, horizontal R1 and R2, nothing else. These are 0 means this will not be counted. Save it, rebuild it. So you see that panel is in your hand. Panel is in your hand, so no problem. In this way we have made this panel. Now we'll go first. You will understand that because the size of the video will be larger. So you understand that anytime you can change the panel, change name, and it's XM12. We make it as previous. Save it. At the top panel, our panel name is XH1, leg 102 member, bracing 100 member, but we have given the horizontal member 0. This means we don't want the horizontal member of the panel XH1. So first we go to the panel XH1. This is our XH1. This is the horizontal member. We don't want this horizontal member. Why? Because we want the horizontal member here, not at the middle. That's why we have made another panel which name is plan. It will be in plan, not in face. Plan PL3, where we'll only put the value PB1, not this. And top means it will be placed in the face panel, top of face panel. It will be placed on the top of this face panel. So plan PL3, remember this, plan PL3. We have some plan basing. This is PL3, and we go to our tower. This is our plan. You see that there is no internal member here, no internal member, only this foreside. That's why we have given all this member 0, because PB1 equals 100 and we don't want this extra member PB3, 4, PB2, 3, 4. That's why we only want this outside periphery member, not the internal member. That's why PB1 equals 100 and other member has 0. And top means it will be placed on the face panel top of the face top. In this way we have placed plan PL3 in another panel 3, panel 4, and no other panel has any face member. Actually you have to you have to play with these panels on your own, and you will understand that it's very easy. Another thing which is important here is save it first and rebuild it. We don't have any heap member here. Heap members means a member connecting this 2 point, a member which will connect this point 0.767 and 0.751, or this 2 point, or this 2 point, or this 2 point. These members are called heap. We have our standard heap bracing, which will you have to play with it. I am not giving an example. It's your task to how to place these heap panels. We have many examples. In our default MSTower. If you see the example file, then you will understand how to place these heap panels. Okay, now we'll give the explanation of all the titles. Means name of the tower, anything you can write. Face, 4 faces tower, not 3 faces. Width at base means this base width 3 meter. RL, reduced level base, to calculate the ice thickness. You have to understand the panels. Support coordinate. By default MSTower calculate place the 0 ordinate here, center of the 4 leg, and that's why support will be 1.5, because our base is 3 meter. Support will be 1.5, 18. This is how. Section program UK. Program UK section are default section which are given here. Edit section library, programs P and UK. Program P UK. here is a England UK section library. MSTower takes the section property of the assigned members from here. So we have given the section property, their yield strength and property value.